All right, so we've got a game now. We've got a game where we can catch our sprites, and they keep reappearing, and we catch them, and they keep reappearing, etc. Okay, so that's a good start to the game. We need a score. A game doesn't work unless you've got some sort of way to keep score. So the way that we do it is with this little thing down here called data. Now I'm going to do all of this work in my dinosaur here. Okay, so I'm going to create a new, so click on the dinosaur, make a variable. Now you guys would have learned about variables in maths. It's like the X or the Y, or A or B or C, whatever, in one of those equations. Now the variable I'm going to use is called score, and it's important that it's used for all sprites. That means all sprites can use this data. Okay, and you can see it creates this new variable called score. And I'm going to put in a command here that says that when the green thing is clicked, set the score to 0. So that means every time we start the game, the score is 0, and that makes sense. So when clicked, set score to 0. Good. Next, all the rest of this score keeping is going to happen in the apple or the banana or the first duck or the second duck. So if the apple touches the dinosaur, see it says if touching dinosaur, that's the moment when you score a point. So not set the score, but change the score by a certain amount. Okay. So watch what happens now when I play this game. Okay, I'm going to go collect that apple. Score changed by 1. Okay, wait for me to catch this apple. Score changes by another 1. If I collect anything else, the score doesn't change because I haven't put any of those in the variable yet. But if I collect the apple, my score will change. Okay, awesome. Now we can create that in all of these things, in the banana, the duck, or the second duck here. Now in the bananas, I might say that the bananas are worth more. So if the dinosaur touches the bananas, let's say we'll change the score by 3 points. And if we collect the duck, let's change the score by 1 point. Oops. Be careful with this. Set score means like reset the score. Change score means just add something to it. You can also subtract something from it. Actually, let's do something really cool. Let's make the ducks worth 2 points each. And let's make it that the bananas are something that the dinosaur is allergic to. So if the dinosaur eats the bananas, he loses 2 points. Now let's play the game. Okay, so I've scored 5 points. Eat the duck, eat the duck. Everything's going well. Now if I eat those bananas, my score goes down. Watch me eat the bananas again. Where are we? Okay, scores at 13. Oop, back down to 13. Back down to 14. So the bananas decrease my score. Okay, so that's it. That's how you keep score. I've created a variable first. You can see in my data, I said make a variable. And then I set the score to 0, which means that every time I press the green thing, the score starts at 0 again. And then I set different values for when the dinosaur touches something, then that score changes. Okay, that's making a score counter.